Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am unboxing a brand new jewelry subscription. And this is one of those deals where they asked, can we send you a box? And I was like, sure. It came in this box from the outside, which has a foreign label. It's this Amazon crap. I opened it and I see this. Instantly, I perk up and I'm like, well, that's chic and that is very cute. Love just the inside of the box, I think is really pretty. It's very happy. Love this French atelier looking design, and it's called Emma and Chloe. And I'm like, I know I've heard of that before. And I realized it's still jewelry brand and they actually have some fashion pieces as well. But I'm realizing they have a jewelry subscription box. So I open it and it is so cute. The presentation is wonderful. So here's the item that came inside. Here's the care instructions, and it is in French and English, and for something about that is like so romantic, sophisticated and fun. It feels unique. And then also is their little like magazine you can look at that they have. So normally on my first encounter with the box, I don't jump on here and shout it out. However, I'm really impressed with what I'm seeing here. This is my very first box. I have very little experience with them, but I'm loving what I'm seeing here. So I'm shouting out, I'm showing y'all. Inside is this ring. And I don't know if y'all ever noticed, but I wear a ton of jewelry. I love wearing jewelry. But this ring fits my pointer finger and it is so cute. The back of it is open and you're supposed to be able to squeeze it to adjust it. I am finding that that's not happening. In my opinion, really well made and it's not budging. So I have not been able to get it to flex, so I'm just gonna wear it on that finger. This is how it works. They have two options. The monthly subscription, which is called the Free Bird, it's $35 a month and shipping is included. And you get an item, a jewelry item, earrings, necklace, ring, bracelet, in a value of $50 to $100. If your ears are not pierced, they will set it on a clip-on for you. You do not have to have pierced ears to do this subscription. Who does that? This is the first one I've encountered. Or you can prepay in 3-month increments and it will automatically save you $6 and you just pay $99 for 3 months and your subscription goes. So you can cancel at any time on the monthly. On the quarterly, where you prepay and you save money, you can cancel after each quarter if you want to. Once you remember, you get member benefits to shop on their site at any time that you want. The jewelry is made of brass. Then it is gilded with gold or silver plating. So that is why it is so super strong and hasn't budged. It actually says on there, it's gold plated or silver plated in their Parisian atelier. And I was like, that's so cute. You get to choose gold, silver, or surprise me. The website is super easy to use. It's actually beautiful, and I went on a deep dive through all of the stuff there, shopping and playing, because your member perks and benefits mean you get to shop there at a discount, which is really cool. They do have a US site, so make sure you're clicking the link below or you'll end up on their Paris site, which is obviously not all in English. And it's in euros, which is really confusing. So more of these coming, and I will unbox more if you want to stay tuned. But if you want to go and sign up now, go for it. All of the coupon codes and all of the information is below. And on my first box, I'm already shouting it out because I am that impressed with the box. So there's that. All right, and then Chloe, cheers to you. I'm super impressed and I can't wait to unbox the next one. You guys, subscribe. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and then tell me what other jewelry subscription I should try. I'm realizing it's been a while since we've done that, and I would super love to find more deals where I'm getting $100 in value of jewelry for $35, with shipping included, that arrives at my door. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.